My name is Johnny Freitas. I am a biologist. I worked for over 30 years at Kamabe Foundation, and there I specialized in flora research. What makes Curacao nature unique is that especially in the higher parts of the island you find plant species, and also for instance the deer that you don't find on the other islands, and also not on the lower parts. It's because the higher you get, the temperature drops a little bit, and also in the night, in the evening, you get dew formation, which also the plant utilizes for to survive. Yeah, my favorite species is a plant species, and it is the Wayakashi marron, a tree that grows on limestone terraces, and I like it because yeah, it has the flowers are very beautiful. They have a lavender like color, which is also my favorite color. Why should one participate in the City Nature Challenge? Because it gives each one of us possibility to contribute to new scientific knowledge, but also to improve your own knowledge about nature, which is also important for yourself.